Hi everyone, this is Andrew from Toronto, Ontario, and I've just completed the pranic initiation and I'm still alive after, I can't believe it's been 7 or 8 days since I've had any solid food, and I feel like I've done a really amazing purification job on my body, on my spirit. It's been quite extraordinary. When I came down here, I didn't really know what I'd get. It was an experiment. When I heard about people that claim to live without food, I thought, that sounds ridiculous, and I want to do something healthy for myself, and this intuitively just struck me as something I wanted to try because a friend of mine recommended it, and it's been quite extraordinary. I feel a great deal of peace inside. Last night we danced. How can I dance without food? And then I got tired and I sat down and breathed some more, and it's just this magic of energy that comes from sources other than food. I really believe this is possible now, and I'm inspired to avoid solid food for another month and a half to really give this process a chance to settle in my body. I did stand-up comedy last night. That gave me a lot of energy. That's something I love to do. This community of people, I've been with 50 people doing this work for the last week and a half, and we're just slowly lightening up and opening up, and it's been a fabulous support group. I look forward to staying in touch with a lot of them. And now I'm doing a few more days with some of them to just keep practicing the energy practices and keep reinforcing that it appears I don't need food. I had a sip of beet juice this morning and it was too strong. Living without food and water for 4 days, I didn't think it was possible, and so I go back to Canada, to the winter, fruit juice, maybe some broth. When it gets cold, I'll look forward to some broth, but this has really been amazing, and if you want to talk about it, I'll be in Toronto. Adios.